Welcome to today's tutorials. This video is going to be about the video and audio tags. So let's get started. First, let's create a video tag. So video. Here in the source attributes, I'm going to add intro.mp4, which is a file I added to the same folder with the index.html. Let's check the browser. Here we have a huge image. Let's go back and add width and height, 100 pixels. Height 200 pixels. Let's go back to the browser, and here we can see it's just an image, and we're gonna fix this by adding an attribute controls, and it doesn't take anything. Let's go back to the browser, and here our
Welcome to daily tutorials. Today we're gonna start off with a brief introduction to HTML.
Now let's go back to the browser. Let's add another attribute, which is autoplay. And this attribute will open the video when the page loaded. Now we're gonna add another attribute, which is loop, and this attribute will run the video on loops. One last thing for the video attribute, which is in case our video doesn't work, we can leave a message here. Let's say try again later. And audio is exactly the same thing as video. So audio, provide the source, it's test.wav, and also provide the controls. We can also add the autoplay and loop attributes, but they are optional. Now let's check the browser.
Welcome to daily tutorials. Today we're gonna start off with a brief introduction.
Our audio on the right side, and it's working fine. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.